In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Canva. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, resizing images is a fundamental skill you'll want to master for all sorts of projects. So let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, ensure you're logged into your Canva account and have your design open. If you don't have an existing design, you can easily create one by selecting any template or starting from scratch. Now let's begin by selecting the file that contains the image you want to resize. Navigate to your uploads or any pre-existing design file. It's as simple as clicking to open it up on your workspace. With the file open, the next step is to click directly on the image you wish to resize. This action will select the image, and you should notice that a border with little round handles will appear around it. These handles are your tools for resizing. They allow you to adjust the dimensions of your image easily. Now let's move to the resizing itself. Locate the circular handles at the corners of the border around your image. Click on one of these corner circles and hold down your mouse or trackpad. Drag the circle inward to make the image smaller, or drag it outward to enlarge the image. This motion is very intuitive, almost like stretching a rubber band. It's important to use the corner handles rather than the ones on the sides to maintain the image's aspect ratio, which keeps it from looking skewed or distorted. As you resize, keep an eye on how the image fits within your overall design. If your image needs to fill a specific space, use guides and grids available in Canva to help line everything up perfectly. Canva is quite intuitive and may even show you some alignment and spacing hints as you drag and resize, which can be very handy, especially for professional layouts. Finally, once you're satisfied with the new size of your image, take a moment to review your entire design. Sometimes resizing an image can affect the balance of your composition, so make sure everything looks harmonious and visually appealing. Adjust any other elements of your design as needed to maintain cohesion. And there you have it. Resizing images in Canva is quick and easy with a few clicks and drags. Practice this a couple of times and you'll find yourself resizing images effortlessly in no time. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.